Hey everyone, welcome back to Feixeions. Our channel is for all things about crypto mining, earnings and airdrop. Today we are covering Warden Protocol airdrop step-by-step guidance. You can use it on any device you have. For mobile user, instant message browser on your device, then complete step-by-step process. In this video, we will explain what Warden Protocol and its funding details, step-by-step guide to join the airdrop and start earning free token. We will walk through the exact step to earn point, offer tips for maximize reward, and address whether this airdrop is legitimate. All important links you can find in the Telegram post and description below. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for real-time updates. Warden Protocol is a new layer on blockchain built on Cosmos, designed especially for AI native application. In fact, the team described it as a full-stack purpose-built layer on blockchain for developer to build intelligent application. It makes artificial intelligence and machine learning model accessible on-chain and off-chain, powering smart app across ecosystem. Warden's governance token is worth, according to CryptoRank report, they raised approximately $0.53 million at now. It's confirmed according to this platform, but the listing date remain unconfirmed on this platform. On the other hand, as Airdrop.io report, they label it as Airdrop confirmed in on-chain platform. Getting started with Warden Protocol is straightforward. Follow this step to set up your account. First, visit this official website, link in the description and Telegram post. Go to the Warden Protocol site and connect your compatible wallet. Always double check the URL to avoid phishing. Then sign up with your email on the platform. This ties your ward point to you. But for now, Warden use a point system called Palms. Palms is a token that can help to measure your participation. Begin by the chatting with the AI agent in the app. This generates your first Palm token. Then make transaction, deposit any small amount of fund, perform swipe or transfer on the Warden app. Each action give more Palms. Exploring feature also yield point. Inside the app, go to the earn or point section. Here you can create your own custom token, essentially boosting your personal market cap. You spend the Palms you have earned to upgrade your coin. The more you invest, the higher your personal token value grow. This gamified mechanism is at the core of Warden reward system. Warden often has daily quests and check-in. Complete any daily tasks shown in the app and log in each day to build your strike. Sustain activities unlock stack multipliers, meaning long-term use pays off more. Always save for new tasks as they appear. To earn more, build your referral network. Invite active friends to join using your referral link. Warden's referral system gives multipliers not just for your direct referral, but even for friends of friends. However, the focus on quality. Make sure your referral actually use the app or their point on benefit you want. According to the team, active second-layer referral also boost your reward. Warden rewards long-term engagement. Log in daily and keep high stack multiply your point. Don't speak days if you can avoid it. Prioritize major quests over minor tasks. These typically yield for more points. Follow Warden official channel X, Telegram and Discord. If you see a new quest, joining it fast. As the Warden guide, stay active in partner group on social media channel gives you an edge. Warden Protocol airdrop appear legitimate according to the CryptoRank and Airdrop.io report, but always stay safe. Only trust official channel, the Warden Protocol website, official Twitter, X or Discord. Never share your seed phrase or private key. The airdrop is free to earn, does not require any payment. Watch out for phishing links for claiming extra reward. As long as you follow the step above, show Warden real potential, you should be fine. In short, the Warden airdrop is real and in progress, but any promised token or airdrop is not guaranteed at this point. Always do your own research and don't invest. It's totally free. That's all about Warden Protocol airdrop. We have covered the project background, their funding and possibility, then step-by-step guide you need to earn free reward token. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to Feixeions for more crypto related projects and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Check the video description for all the link. Make sure to follow our Telegram channel X and Discord for more update on crypto airdrop, earnings and miners project. In the meantime, keep earning those points and inviting friends. Let us know in the comment if you have question about Warden or other crypto earnings tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep supporting us. See you next time. Goodbye.